Question for you. Is risk a bad thing or a good thing? Hmm? Now, let's say, give this a thought. Let's say those who worked on industrial revolution to make this world to where it is right now, in terms of development, technology, global markets, business, creativity, innovation, art, sales and markets, education, religion, name it. I'm telling you, without these individuals or certain individuals who took their time to risk to come up with ideas in different fields of, let's say, artwork, fields of investment, fields of education, fields of innovation and creativity. Like, for example, nowadays we have the ChatGPT and the AI. It was only the risk of certain individuals who took the risk to test something in order to come up with these tech of things or digital of things that you see today. Now, remember also risk, it depends on the rate of the risk, or who are you risking with, or what company are you dealing with in terms of risk, or what are the set standards, or let's say also why are you risking, you know. When you give it a thought, you find that risk is not a bad thing. Actually, every investor is a risk taker. Anyone who invests, let's say, in stocks and shares, in digital markets, in trading, in forex, in real estates, find that these people calculated their moves. And every risk that is taken, there's always a big outcome. Therefore, money market funds have low risks, and to invest in them is a thumbs up, and it's a good move in terms of investment. Therefore, never fail to invest, especially start now. This time, 2025, 2024, 1 month to 2025, you see the difference in your life.
You find that with marketing fund, it is very easy to access your money in terms of withdrawal and deposits. You can have some money in terms of withdrawal and deposit anytime, especially when you have linked your account with, let's say, an online portal with the money marketing fund that you have chosen, or money marketing fund of your choice. Also remember, apart from linking with the online portal, you can also open an app or download the app with the said or particular money market fund from the App Store or Play Store. Also, you can you find that the money marketing fund, your account is linked to the M-Pesa so that you can withdraw easily and deposit easily. Like what I've shown here in my past withdrawals and my past deposits with the market fund that I have been using for the past few months and years. Now, let's let's look at trustee and custodian. Now remember, very important that every money marketing fund that is has a trustee and a custodian. Now remember, these two should work separately to avoid mutual interest, so that avoid risk in terms of mutual interest. And remember, it is very safe when they work in different or separate entities. Now, let's talk about cash security or money security. That money that you save, is it safe? That of security. Yes, your money is safe when you save and invest in money marketing funds. And remember, why is it safe? This is the reason. Because every cash or money that is invested in either or any money marketing funds in Kenya, or let's say in the entire universe where you are, USA, any part of the country, but in parts of the world, and that the government or the regulator does the tracking of the investment done. Like in Kenya, we have the Kenya Marketing Fund Track Records. This professional body makes sure that money is managed well and there's cash flow, and also the money that is invested Yeah.
If you do not bring back my money tomorrow, I will roast you like a goat. I mean it.
Unless you want to enjoy the money alone.
That's why.
Saying that he or she can access and track the network, also track and track his or her savings in terms of monthly and weekly. So money marketing funds are risk friendly. Now let's go to risk associated with investing or saving in money marketing funds. Now remember, the risk here in money marketing is very low actually. It's very low at percentage of 25%. In case of inflation or economy crashes, find that the money that was earlier saved or invested is not lost because there is a regulator, the CMA, the Capital Market Authority, and also professional managers who make sure that your money is invested in safe areas in order to avoid risk and in order for you to assess it and also to make plans in various investments you want to make. Now remember, it's not good to put your head in one basket, but you can invest in different areas. Invest in stocks, invest in real estate, invest in special bills and bonds, also invest in different currencies, okay? You have the currency, the gold, silver, just invest. And also, I'm sure if you do so, in terms of investment and financial freedom and financial literacy, you get to a financial freedom life, and your life in terms of finance will be catered for. Till next time, and remember, guys, sticks that will tell me that you guys are still watching but not subscribing. Therefore, hit the smash or smash the like button, subscribe, and let's see you in the next video. Bye bye.